So we're in the process of getting the 360 torn apart, and already just by taking the heads off. I mean, obviously, when we took the oil pan off, there's a lot of water coming out, but there's a ton, it seems to be in the head. So who knows if this block's actually going to be good or not. Oh, yes. That is what you want in your engine. That's a good cooling right there. Look at that. This is what a healthy engine looks like, guys. Take notes.
Yep, that's kind of nasty.
You should taste it. See what it tastes like.
Yeah.
What does the bottom of the head look like? Oh my god. You should try that. I'll give you $5 if you try it.
Taste it?
Yeah, taste it.
20.
20.
50.
I'll take the 20 deal, yeah. You might die, but $20 is $20, huh?
I agree, but $20 is $20. Where'd this one go?
So you think you're saving this block now?
It'll be fine for what I'm using it for. Goopy. Almost like oil. That one's not as bad. I think that one's pure water, basically. That one's real oily, too. I guess that may have saved it a little bit. This one seems kind of stuck on. Oh, probably because I didn't take the top ones off.
Man, look at that. It looks like the head's actually starting to come off now.
Seems like it might fall off. There's some water dripping under.
Yep, look at that. There's some water down there.
Look at them threads.
Whew. That looks tasty. It smells good too, don't it?
Yeah. Okay, I think they're all off now. I don't want them push rods coming out. Oh.
Oh my god, that is awful.
Come look at this cylinder. 2 of them.
Oh, the rust in them?
Yeah. This side's a lot worse than the other one.
Yep.
Crusty.
And then creamy.
Yeah, this stuff's just watery, actually. I have a feeling this engine would not turn over if we wanted it to.
Only one way to find out.